So this is day one look after having my head shaved. So I braved the shave yesterday so that I can donate my hair, which was approximately 30 inches, to a charity called the Little Princess Trust. So the Little Princess Trust is a charity that provides real hair wigs for free of charge to children and young people under 25 who have lost their own hair through cancer treatment and other conditions. So I've decided to fundraise as well because making a wig comes at a cost. It costs the charity at least £550 to provide the wig to the young person. So my original target was £750 and it's been amazing. Thank you to my family and friends and to everyone else who have donated because I have almost doubled my target. So thank you very much. Part of the money raised will also be donated to the Royal Brompton and Harefield Hospitals charity, who helps the Royal Brompton and Harefield Hospital fight against heart and lung diseases by funding innovative new equipment, treatment and cutting-edge research that fall outside the NHS funding. So yeah, we're gonna be attaching the video of me having my buzz cut. What are we making?
Well,
Pasta with aubergine and mushroom.
Giorgio's special.
Giorgio's special.
George's special. Good.
Nobody can replicate this kind of pasta, you know? It's not Baboy's rubbish food, you know?
To Golden Child, a baldy.
Who's cutting your hair?
All of you.
Well, I'm not cutting.
Can you just pull them really hard and...
I can't believe
Yeah,
it.
Go on then, pull it first.
Are you having one?
It's so long.
I hope you
Like
clean
pull
it
over.
before you cut it.
It's clean.
They don't look clean though, huh?
Wow.
It does.
Is it real?
No.
He's actually going to give them fake hair. Do you want me to help you comb?
I can't believe this hair. This is just insane.
2.5 years. I just want to thank all the people who have donated.
I know, I need to do it.
Who's helping you?
Oh, my lovely BFF Georgia,
Glamorous assistant.
who I haven't seen for 10 years.
I usually give him two as well.
Right. So shall I just plait it from here?
So you can tie it first.
Should we just tie it?
Yeah, tie it first and plaiting.
And then have pasta.
Yeah.
I'll just do it loose, yeah?
Yeah. How many sections are you doing?
4?
4, yeah.
Did you want more?
No, that's fine. I don't think Spence really wants to save it.
Are you trying to hint at me?
No, if you ever want to do it. I know Georgia wants to do it.
No, it's not my pasta, guys.
Shall I go and get cutlery? Do you want to have? I'll go and get cutlery.
Why?
How much have you raised?
Just over £1,000.
I need to give you some money.
Yeah, we need to give you some money as well.
I'll give you 50.
It always smells good in this house. You got all this spray around.
You look cute like that. You should have had your hair like that before you cut it. I think you're going to be a pretty bald because you've got eyebrows, you've got lips.
I've got bushy eyebrows.
It's better than having no eyebrows. Imagine you was bald with no eyebrows.
Like me.
You're not bald, dear.
You're bald here.
And you've got eyebrows.
Yeah, but they just can't visualise.
They're fine.
What is Georgia?
Who's going first?
No, I'm gonna go first. So
Is he going closer to the band? Yeah.
So by here.
So you have to cut above
I
the
know what to
band.
do. Here.
No,
Huh?
but just a little bit above. Yeah.
Above.
But not so it's gonna fall out. You need to do it above.
Above
Oh
like
my
this.
No, above.
I'm getting nervous.
It is.
Why did I let Georgia do the first one? Oh my god, it's happening. Yay. Ow, it's hurting, mate.
Georgia, you're too close.
Oh my god. Georgia, hurry up. Ow, ow. Look how much more he's slipped on. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
What do I look like?
No, it's okay.
Let's have a look.
Oh my god,
Oh
I
my
look
God,
like a boy.
Do that.
Should we clip it your bit?
Yes.
No, it looks nice. Well done.
Okay, next. Oh, you're actually doing it!
I think so.
Yay! Should you go for the bottom one or the top one?
I want this one, but do I just cut straight like that?
But go
That's
above
it.
the band.
Yeah, above the band.
Lot
So like
above the
there.
bar.
Try and do a straight.
There?
Yeah, go for it.
Is that
I
alright?
don't
Go
think
on,
you've
do
got all
it,
in
do
that,
it,
but
do
yeah.
it.
I'm trying to be really gentle, my Rosie.
That's fine.
What if my hand slipped and went through her skull? Is it hurting? Don't make me feel bad. Oh, I think I'm doing what Giorgio did.
Why don't you?
It's fine. Go, go,
It's
go.
fine, man.
Put it back in again.
Yeah, that's what he said.
Open it up. Open it up.
Oh my god, what have you guys got?
I can't do it now.
Leave it like this, leave it there.
Danny, just cut it.
But you got a hole in your head.
What hole? Oh my god.
But you're going bald. Someone's got to take over. I can't do it.
Come on,
Go.
Danny, just
Oh my
finish
god.
it.
What
is wrong?
What's wrong with you?
Take it out, put it back in
Ow!
again.
It's hurting. Oh my.
Oh my god, there's like a hole.
Oh no. See that?
Yeah, but even here, look.
Look at you.
Try to do another one.
Gareth's just going for it. Georgia, you have to do the last
I'll do
one.
the last one.
Is that my one?
That's your one.
It's hard to cut, isn't it?
Thank you,
Oh
Gareth.
god.
It smells nice.
Oh Rose.
Can I have a coffee, please? Or are you drinking all of it?
Sorry, I put it down. Shit.
Don't do it quick though.
Oh, you wanna?
Look what you did.
What did he do? Take a picture of it. Take a picture of my bald patch.
It was an accident.
What is the clipper?
Anyway, you're gonna go bald.
No, can I do the first bit, please? Can I do the first bit?
Stop exposing me.
Giorgio, don't you dare.
Please.
Please, can I do the first bit?
Of course you can do the first bit.
Yeah,
It's
sure.
your hair.
Censor!
Me too.
Don't show those things, please.
Oh my god, it's all gone.
It's all gone!
Oh
Should
my
I just leave it like this?
You shouldn't have let the boys do it though, because you've got a hole here, and you've got a hole
Shut
that
up.
side.
They're gonna go anyway. You're gonna cut.
Should I just leave it like this?
Oh,
Wait.
these are worth 300 quid each.
Are they?
There you go.
I'll send them for you.
Oh my god. Okay, who's gonna continue?
Wait a minute. Can I start from the back?
Georgia, don't finish
Come on,
it!
let me finish properly on the back. Come on.
Oh my gosh, he's enjoying, isn't he? Come on.
I think you are the bravest person on the earth.
Come on, this is nothing
No,
compared
do
to
it.
who undergo
man.
chemo.
Maybe she's gonna really like it. Maybe you're gonna really
It might
like
be a
it.
little thing.
Why do you keep laughing?
I'm laughing at the sun.
Why don't you stand here
Why?
so you're in the video?
Yeah, hold the head.
love it.
So anyone?
I love
more?
it. George, I can do it.
No.
Oh, Rose. You are so brave.
Oh, come on. Gareth can do the last bit. You can do it for me and him.
Okay, here we go.
It feels like these are long, but they're not. Oh my god.
Oh, Ronald.
I thought I was Robert.
Robert, that's it.
What are you doing?
Gareth, just leave that one long bit.
You need to tan it though, Rose. You need to get in the head. You need to get your head in the sun today.
Really?
Yeah. This white.
Yeah, that's normal, you know.
Gareth has got a flick to it.
He's used to cutting.
Shall we do the eyebrows as well?
No, not
Guy,
my
come
eyebrows,
on.
please. No.
Do everything.
No.
Be bold about eyebrows.
If I do my eyebrows, I'm gonna shave your beard.
No, you can't do that. Stop, don't move.
Oh.
Okay.
Is it done?
Nearly.
The surface of the moon.
Yeah, you need to sunbathe a bit.
But I don't like the sun.
You have to be in the sun, my
Just the
friend.
back of your head at least. Please,
God.
please separate and live.
You need to have a shower now,
I
huh?
know.
Then you want to do
Look,
like...
it looks really
I
good.
think he's gone
actually.
to get the little one.
Thank you guys for watching. Bye.